recruiting in is difficult because most eighth graders and their parents do not understand what precision machining is.
Mm-hmm.
And unfortunately, the word manufacturing always has this bad image. You know, their mother, their father says, well, you know, I remember when your grandpa was laid off from this company, or Uncle Joe got laid off, and this happened and that happened. And, you know, it's a filthy environment. It's dirty there. You don't go anywhere. And it's just absolutely not true, without having to say any other words. But, you know, it's just not the case. You know, I mean, today's manufacturing facilities are like walking into a hospital. Bright lights, white walls, clean floors. And they have to, because in order to get the contracts for aerospace, for defense, for medical, these shops have to be absolutely clean at all times. There's no tolerance for filth or anything like that. But the problem is, we could tell that to an eighth grader, and we can put it in the news, and all the manufacturers can say that to each other. But the message has to get to the mom and the dad. And all they understand is, oh, college is the only way to go. College is another way to go. It's just one of many ways to go. And so our biggest struggle isn't getting the kids to want to work in manufacturing. It's getting past their parents.